The sixth part of our HTML series of tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll be dealing about lists. So we will go to our HTML folder, then create a new file, or we can open VS Code here. So let's go to, there are many ways to do this. We can open VS Code. This is the shortest way, I guess, to do it. So, and just drag and drop your HTML folder to your VS Code. Then create a new file called lists.html. In this lists.html, you just need to put the boilerplate by using the exclamation mark and the tab key, or the exclamation key and the tab key. Then next, inside our body, we will have a comment for unordered lists. Now lists are classified into three: description lists, ordered lists, and unordered lists. Let's have a title of lists. Okay, first we'll see what unordered lists are. Now the tag or the element name for unordered lists is UL. So inside UL, UL stands for unordered list. Then inside the UL, you'll have a list, and LI stands for list. In our list, I'm just gonna use a list of fruits. Okay, pineapple. Then another list, maybe mango, and banana, orange. So we have this list of fruits. We can have a paragraph, but let's leave it like this for now. Let's just go live. So this is what our list looks like. Let's go to any web browser we want to open our list page, list.html. Then let me do this so that you can see it clearly. So this is how unordered lists work. Now the term unordered list is means the term unordered list means these lists you see right over here are not listed in an order of numbers or alphabets. So they're just listed using this bullets. So let's see what ordered lists are next. Ordered lists. So stands for OL stands for ordered lists. Now let's just have a list of programming languages. So list C++, another list Java. I'm a little bit shaking, so sorry for my typing errors. So Python, then another list for maybe C# or C#. You can see this is listed in orders of in a numbered order. So this is what ordered lists are. Then next we will see definition or description lists. Description lists. DL stands for description lists. Then DD stands for descriptions title. So we might, for example, have biology I guess I just put it in the wrong order, so let's have biology in the DT. Then this is the description term, and this is the the term, the term's description. So what is biology is in between the DT. See, so you can have biology is the study of life, maybe. Okay, so this is how you use lists. You can have another list over here. This time physics, maybe. Then is a study of matter and energy. This might not be the the concise definition of this the subject is biology and physics, but anyways, I just want to show you the use of lists. So this is the sixth tutorial. We will have more tutorials in the series, so stay tuned. Thank you very much.